The F-16 Fighting Falcon aircraft has taken to the skies for the first time at Fort Wayne's 122nd Fighter Wing on Wednesday, months after its initial arrival at the base. In January of last year, leaders at the 122nd Fighter Wing announced that it would be converting from the A-10 Thunderbolt II to the F-16 Fighting Falcons to help increase the Blacksnake.
Blacksnakes are awesome, and that's the summer. We're doing one of those, and we're going to cold plate them, and we're going to make them guard ready, and we're going to send them off the board.
Makes combat capability and help with training on more complex missions and weapon systems. The F-16 Fighting Falcon flew for nearly 2 decades at the Fort Wayne Air National Guard Base from 1991 to 2010 and is a familiar sight in the skies above Fort Wayne. The base was set to receive 21 F-16s, with the first couple arriving in October. Airman First Class Halley Clark shared a video of Airmen preparing an aircraft for its first official sortie at the base, marking the historical first takeoff with the new models on Wednesday. Fighter wing officials said in October that the F-16s will last until 2040, but they are already researching which aircraft will take to the Fort Wayne skies next.